Hello everyone, my name is Andi Sutra Meiliana. Today I will present a journal review titled Microwave Treatment of Oil Sludge. This journal is from Sustainability, published in 2020. It talks about using microwave energy to treat oil sludge and recover useful materials. Now, let me begin with a short introduction about oil sludge. Oil sludge is a waste from crude oil refining. It contains dangerous chemicals called BTEX, benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene, and xylene. These chemicals are toxic to the environment and human health. Microwave heating is used to remove these harmful substances. After knowing the problem, let's see what the goals of this study are. This study has 4 main objectives. First, to remove BTEX compounds using microwave. Second, to recover VOCs that can be used as fuel. Third, to make oil sludge safer. And last, to study how efficient the process is. To reach those goals, the researchers used a specific method. Let me explain it. The researchers used a microwave oven with 200 to 300 watts of power. They put 10 grams of sludge in a quartz reactor. Nitrogen gas was used to carry the vapor into a membrane separator. They measured temperature and gas using GC Mississippi and a thermocouple. Next, let's see what happened during the heating process using microwave. The sludge got hot quickly during microwave heating. At 300 watts, it reached 96.5 degrees in 60 seconds. At first, it absorbed energy well, but after a while, energy absorption slowed down. Now we move to the recovery part. How useful gases were collected from the sludge. The membrane collected C3 to C6 hydrocarbons. The recovery was better with more gas flow. For example, 71.9% of C3 and 78.2% of C6 were recovered. This shows microwave can get fuel from waste. Besides recovering gas, this method also removed dangerous chemicals. Let's see the result. BTEX was reduced after 900 seconds of heating. Benzene was reduced by 98.5%, toluene by 62.9%, ethylbenzene by 51.6%, and xylene by 29%. 31%. The sludge became much safer. Transition. Now, what do these results mean? Let's move to the discussion part. Microwave is fast and saves energy. It works for cleaning sludge and recovering fuel. The sludge becomes less toxic. It can be used with biomass to make renewable energy. After understanding the benefits, we also need to look at the strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. Fast process, good BTEX removal, fuel recovery. Limits. Some BTEX like xylene not removed well. Still tested only in lab. Finally, let me conclude this presentation with the main takeaways. Microwave treatment is good for oil sludge. It removes harmful BTEX and recovers fuel. Helps reduce pollution and supports green energy. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.